In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Block Blast High Score 2025 strategy. So Block Blast is a casual puzzle game inspired by the mechanics of Tetris. So this is how the game models is classic versus level based. You can see here classic mode and level or plot mode. These are the type of blocks: small line, medium line, long line, L shape, T shape, or square, or big square, or S shape, or zigzag. So, block blast chips for having a high score. First, block placement. Second, keep the center open, so the middle of the board is the most flexible zone. Third, build combos when you can. Clearing multiple rows or columns is one move doesn't just look good, this rewards you with higher score per play. Now use special blocks wisely. Some versions of Block Blast include special blocks or power-ups like bombs or grids clearing tools. Then don't waste space. Among the most valuable Block Blast chips is learning how to make every block count. Learn how to practice grid management. Grid management is all about using the entire board in a way that keeps your options open. After that, learn the block shapes. If you want to consistently achieve high scores, become familiar with all the possible block shapes. Knowing what types are in the rotation will help you predict how to leave space.